Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making the famous TikTok grinder sandwich. So first I start off by doing some bacon, placing some bacon in the oven. Next you want to prep your veggies. I'm prepping the onions and then I soak them in a bowl of ice cold water just to get rid of that bitter taste. Next you want to go ahead and chop up a whole tomato. Thin slice. You don't want your slices too thick. Then right after that, you're gonna prep your garlic butter. Just want to add a tablespoon of minced garlic, and then follow with some garlic powder. Then your oregano leaves. And guys, don't forget to check the description box. I have all the correct measurements in the description box. So I'm just really seasoning to taste, but I have all the correct measurements in the description. So immediately after your garlic butter, you want to go ahead and prep your salad dressing for your salad. So I'm just putting the mayonnaise, crushed pepper, Italian seasoning, the zesty Italian dressing, and you want to give that a... Oh, I also put a little bit of sugar just to balance out the zestiness of the Italian seasoning because it's a little bit salty. So I just put a little sugar to balance that off. Then instead of lettuce, I'm using spinach because I really don't eat lettuce. And I'm adding my onions from the ice cold water that we had sitting on the side. Then you want to follow up with your banana peppers. I put about 2 tablespoons of banana peppers. Now you want to use your favorite loaf, whatever bread you like. It's your choice. You just cut that in half and start making your sandwich. So first you want to go ahead and butter your bread both sides with a nice even coat of the garlic butter that you made earlier. Next you want to go ahead and baste your bread with your favorite cheese of choice. I'm using provolone and pepper jack. So you can go ahead and choose any 2 cheese or 3. It's really up to you. And yeah. Right after adding your cheese, you want to follow up with your favorite meat of choice. I'm using honey ham, Cajun turkey, and pepperoni. So yeah, go ahead and use any meat that you like. Alrighty guys, then you want to pop that in the oven and put on your vegetables. But everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. So I'll just stop talking and let you guys watch. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. just wanted to come back here and let you guys know that the sandwich is so delicious. Look how juicy that is. I made it twice in 1 week. That's how delicious it is. So do not hesitate to try it. Make sure you use my recipe, because my recipe is so good. But anyways, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Give my video a big thumbs up, and now I'll see you in the next one. Bye.